Good morning, this is Camp Base, and today I'm just test fitting a starter on the engine. The engine's still not in the car yet, but I went with this MSD Dyna starter. It's just for the Chrysler 440 engine, part number 5098. This is it right here. It's got standard connections like the other one has. This is the other one. This is the new one. I guess you call it an impeller. Looks different, but it has the same end here, and it's made for it. The difference is that this old one, they actually use this sort of a nut and stud connection on one side, and the other side is actually a bolt. So when I pulled that off, I thought, well, that's odd. The other side's actually a bolt and a washer. I thought that was odd, but turns out that's the way it's factory done. This one here, I can barely lift it up with one arm. I mean, I can. It's very heavy. I don't know how much that weighs. I'm not sure. This one here, yeah, no big deal. So essentially it comes with these bolts, and this isn't an endorsement for MSD. It looks like it's going to be a good starter, but there may be others that are as good or if not better. So I'll bring it over here and test fit it in the motor if I can do that with one hand. So my 440 is sitting right here, so the location for it is right about here. Oh, look at that. Got it in. Okay, so that's where it sits. Right below the exhaust. So this is smaller, so it should fit better without less things to bump into. This is smaller. It's probably not going to be as close to the exhaust. I see the exhaust right up here turns out, whereas it's several inches clear from it. And you can see how it turns out. So that looks like the nuts and the washers will mount from the inside. So it actually looks like a pretty good arrangement. I'm thinking that's going to be the deal. All right, just wanted to give you an update on what's going on. Since we're here, everything's sitting in the pile here is rebuilt. The transmission, the 4-speed. I've turned the car around. I'm ready to drop the motor in. All the wheels, the brakes are on it. The interior, of course, is done. So I'm at the point right now where I'm going to put the motor in it, probably this week. And from there, we'll start building it out, putting all the components on it. A month or two, we'll probably be back on the road. Camp Base out. Y'all have a good day.